What's up, you guys? Today we're going to be talking about fighting someone taller than you. Whether we're in a street fight, a sanctioned fight, or just messing around with friends, the same rules apply. Let's start with the most important of all, which is distance management. When fighting someone taller than you, most likely they will have a longer range to hit you with. Your job is to break the distance, whether that be with feint, jabs, or taking your opponent down. Taking down your opponent really does a lot, especially if you're in a street fight or sanctioned fight where the ground game is allowed. Remember, everyone's the same height when they're on the ground. It negates the distance problem, and some may argue it evens the fight if your opponent's heavier than you. We all know Mike Tyson, but why was he so successful being a short heavyweight in boxing? He was a master of advancing without being hit, and striking with devastating force once he broke the distance. This brings us to our second key to success. Know your advantage. When you're under your opponent, you are striking upwards. This not only makes it harder for your opponent to defend against your weapons, but it also allows you to generate more force through your hips and legs. That's why football players get low when driving through an opponent. You have more leverage of force the lower you are. Something you shouldn't do is sit at range. When you can't touch them, they can still touch you. You get no advantage or way to knock out your opponent by sitting at range. If you want to knock out your tall opponent, you need to have him in your range. Now you know how to deal with the range disadvantage. And you know the advantages you have as the shorter fighter. I hope this video helped. Comment below what you want to see next.